Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert pictures to your document on the Canva application that are preset pictures, so they are available at the app itself. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the home button down below, tap on Docs at the top and click on Document. After that you should tap on the plus icon that will appear down below in the left side corner of the screen. Once it is loaded in, then tap on the plus icon as I have mentioned and click on the Elements button, which is the second section down below. Then scroll down till you find the Photos section, click on See All. And here you can find a bunch of pictures, and they are organized into categories such as Christmas, Christmas tree, and within a section you have subsections such as Christmas gifts, snowflakes, Santa, snowman, Christmas gift, and other options. So you have a bunch of different options: winter, Santa, money, white, circle, gradient, paper, business. So tap on a relevant one, choose from a subcategory from the top and click on the picture you would like to insert into your document. Tap on it. Here you can make it bigger or smaller, you can apply filters to it, you can adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, the tint, blur, X process, vignette, warmth, clarity, vibrance, highlights, shadows, and fade. So you can do a bunch of adjustments to on your picture, and then you can also copy it, paste it, and delete it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.